All right, we're gonna pull this number 5 coil pack out of here. It's already loose. 10 mil bolt. Disconnect it. I'm gonna place it right up there. Now let's pull the spark plug. We'll stick this inspection camera down it. All right, let's go ahead and pull the rest. Let's pull number 1 out over here. See what number 1 looks like. So you can see number 1 is burning everything off. Number 5 is soaked in oil or fuel because it's not burning. All right, let's turn on this camera. Let's check out. Hole number 1. Piston don't look bad. All right, let's check out hole number 5. Look, has not burned off. So there's no hole in the piston. So that's all I was worried about. All right. So all data says I need to drain the coolant. I'm going to try to unbolt this and push it over to the side to get it out of the way. So let's see what happens if that's able to do that. If not, we will have to drain it. I think we can get it out of the way. All right, let's pull this bracket out. Go ahead and put these in here. Here, so I know where they go. I'll put it in the battery box here. I think. Okay, let's go ahead and pull coil number 3. Grab a red marker. Exhaust, E for exhaust there. And I'm getting sidetracked. I do have ADHD, so. Okay.